Hello and welcome back. This morning I'm going to use a Flair Neo espresso maker for the first time. So I did an unboxing video last week and I just put it away. So this morning I'm going to unbox it again and then I'm going to make some coffee. Meantime, I need to clear out some space here, so I'll be right back. Now we have some room here, so let's unbox this one more time. Simple machine. I'm going to use the regular stock piston here today. So this is their filter baskets. And so Flair sent me another one. So this is a regular filter basket. I'm not going to use it today, but I think I'm going to make another video on this one. So what else? Here's the temper and dosing funnel. Here's the base, drip tray. Now we got everything unboxed. You know what? I think I need to cut this too, so hold on. So I'm going to put everything together here. Really simple again. Just put this thing here to the top, put the drip tray. I bet you, so I need to take the piston out. I got piston out like this. And what else? Only thing I got left is make some coffee. So here's what I like to do. I've been watching a lot of videos and they recommend warm up your piston. And also I like to warm up your filter basket as well, your photo filters. So now my water's ready, and then meantime I'm going to heat up my piston and water chamber. So here's what I like to do. I like to get a bowl and to put the piston in like this. So stand up like this. And also I like to warm up my filter basket as well. So I'm just going to put the water first, and then my photo basket, photo filter. I'm going to set to the side for a few minutes, and then this morning I'm going to use my niche grinder. So this is a Sumatra from Good Brothers, just roasted last week, brand new bag. So I think I'm going to be using, a 15 gram. I'm going to use a 15 gram. So comes the grinder setting for Flair, the Neo. So I'm using it's called pressurized baskets. Okay, so the grinder setting is not that as important than using the regular. So I'm just going to set it just a regular espresso. I'm going to use just the high end of it, more like the 20 on niche. Pretty much it. Very simple setup. So I got my grinder, my coffee grinder is ready. Smells really good. Man, it's nothing like freshly roasted grind beans. So at this point, I'm going to just put everything together here. So now I'm all ready to go. So only thing I gotta do is put some hot water in there, the water chamber, and squeeze it out. So I put 15 gram in it. So I like to do 1:2 ratio. So I think I'm gonna use scale to get 30 gram out. So I'm gonna warm up the cup first. I'll be right back. I think it's pretty easy process, and then the shot quality is really good. So I got 30 gram out. Everything's all smooth. Smells really good. So I've been using Good Brothers Sumatra for a long time, so I know what they taste like. So I can't wait to try this. So cheers. Okay, not bad at all. Because obviously, doing the manual shot is a lot, not the manual shot, but using the regular baskets is a lot easier, those are photo filter, rather than pressurized. Well, pressurized is really easy to use. Like, beginner like us, definitely go with Neo. And then I think you can get the additional, the upgraded, the filter basket for like, I believe like 40 or 50 bucks, I think, on their website. So you can dial in the grinder size just right. But overall, this is really good. Because I have all the dark chocolate smells, all the profile of the note is there. Definitely the brown sugar flavor. It's not bad. Actually, it's really good. And just make sure, you know what? You guys are planning on getting Flair for any reason, get yourself scale, okay? The small scale like this is really nice to measure out the input and output. So for me, I like the 1:2 ratio, 15 gram in and 30 gram out. So plus you can actually control it really nicely. And so next video I'm gonna do, hopefully maybe this weekend or next week, I'm going to dial in with their regular baskets. Okay, so that one you really has to play with the grinder size. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. By the way, I'm gonna put the coupon code for Good Brothers Coffee. They give us 25% off for all my beers. Anyway, cheers and be safe. Okay, be safe out there. See you guys next time.